In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a Zoom invite link in Google Calendar. This tutorial will guide you through a few simple steps to ensure you can seamlessly integrate your Zoom meetings with Google Calendar, making scheduling a breeze. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Google Calendar. If you aren't already logged in, you'll need to sign in using your Google account. Once you're in, look towards the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This will open the settings menu. From there, you'll want to click on Get Add-ons to explore various apps and extensions that can enhance your Google Calendar experience. Now, in the G Suite Marketplace that opens up, type Zoom Google Workspace into the search bar and hit Enter. Once you find the add-on, click on it and select Install to begin the installation process. Confirm your choice by clicking Continue. This action will prompt a dialog box where you'll need to choose the Google account you're using with Google Calendar. Select the appropriate account and then hit Continue to proceed. You'll see a list of permissions that the Zoom add-on requires in order to function effectively. Make sure to scroll down, review them, and then click on Allow to grant these permissions. Once you've done this, you'll simply need to click Done. You can then close out of the add-ons window by clicking the X icon located at the top. Now take a quick look at the right-hand panel of your Google Calendar. You'll notice the Zoom icon has appeared. This indicates that the integration has been successful and you're ready to set up meetings. The next step is to create an event. Click on Create followed by Event to open a new event window. Here, you'll enter all the essential details such as the event title, the date and time it will take place, the names of any guests you wish to invite, the location, and a brief description. These details will help your invitees understand the event context and specifics at a glance. Now here's the crucial part for adding your Zoom invite link. In the video conferencing drop-down menu, which is typically set to Google Meet by default, select Zoom Meeting instead. By doing this, you're linking your Zoom account for seamless meeting scheduling through Google Calendar. Go through the event details once more to ensure everything looks correct. Once satisfied, click Save. Finally, rest assured that your guests will automatically receive the Zoom invite link through their calendar invite. This removes the hassle of manually sharing meeting links and ensures everyone can simply click and join at the scheduled time. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Zoom into your Google Calendar, making scheduling and managing meetings more efficient than ever before. Keep this integration handy. It will undoubtedly simplify your virtual meetings and keep your calendar organized. Thanks for tuning in.